Hi Sunshines, welcome back to our channel. I'm TaylorAnne.
And I'm LoriAnne.
And together we are MADCURLS. And welcome to another MADCURLS March Madness giveaway. We are doing another voiceover for this giveaway because this one was actually a little bit impromptu of sorts. As you'll see, we're starting this giveaway on a Monday. Typically we do Friday, but more brands came in than we had enough Fridays for, but we didn't want to say no to anybody because the more the merrier as far as giveaways go.
I know.
So we were like, we will fit another one in. So we are fitting this brand in, of course, because they said yes, and we were like, yeah.
Yes.
So you would have seen that this week, week 4, is CURLSMITH.
Yes.
So excited to be doing CURLSMITH.
Yes.
Again, they did agree to 2 winners, 1 YouTube, 1 Instagram. So 2 people will have the opportunity to win some CURLSMITH products this week.
Okay.
And the products that we are giving away, we do have a video on. So if you're not sure, do I want to win these products? You could definitely go check that video out. And is it 1 video, 2 videos, 1 video, 2? I'm not sure. I don't remember.
We have 2 videos.
We think we have 2 videos
on the 2 different systems that they kind of made a distinction about this time when they came out with the blue one. I call it the blue system.
Yeah. So the blue system is the system that you can win.
Okay.
So there's the trio, and then there is a deep conditioner. So that might be 2 separate videos or 1 video on our channel. Not sure, but we will link it. All the videos will be linked.
Yes.
Anyway, so...
And by the way, the blue deep conditioner with the hyaluronic acid, I love that one.
Yes. So that's going to be in your bundle. So you're getting 4 products. You're going to get the trio in the system, which is the Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic, the Super Slip Prebiotic Primer, and the Postbiotic Calming Conditioner. That's the trio. And then we also wanted you guys to be able to try the deep conditioner that you follow with after with.
Yeah.
So it's more of a the wash system you guys are going to be able to win this time. Not so much stylers, but a wash system, which this wash system is amazing.
It is, and to me it's made all the difference in our hair, with our hair growth, all of that. I just really like this system, especially the Super Slip Prebiotic Primer.
We love the primer.
We love that.
It's so good.
Like incredible slip.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Incredible slip in your hair.
And then the Wash Scrub Detox Probiotic is a clarifying shampoo, but you all know I hate clarifying shampoos.
Yeah.
But this one is one of my favorite ones. I only have about 3 favorite clarifying shampoos. This one is amazing, does not strip the hair, and it also has little exfoliants in it because it's supposed to scrub your scalp.
Very nice.
Fine.
Very fine one. Yes.
Yeah, love that. And then you follow up with the calming conditioner, which is amazing as well. You get that hint. I think there is, let me see, is there tea tree? Yes, there's tea tree in here. There's peppermint oil, so you get that peppermint kind of bringing your scalp back to life after you clarify it. So
kind of that cool
great system.
Sensation.
Yes. So 4 products. So this giveaway is going to run from today, Monday, March 23rd, till Thursday, March 26th. How we are going to let the winners know. We'll start with YouTube because there have been some questions. How are the winners knowing that they are winning with YouTube? We are commenting on your comment. Okay. We're commenting on your comment. So on the 26th, we are going to comment on somebody's comment. So if you know you entered the giveaway, keep looking on YouTube. Look on YouTube on Thursday. We might have commented on your comment. And then once we pick the winners for YouTube and Instagram, we post it on Instagram and on YouTube. We'll pin a comment on YouTube who the winner is on Instagram and on YouTube. And on Instagram, under the post, we write, closed, this giveaway is closed, and who the winners are for Instagram and YouTube. So it's posted. You guys will see it.
Yes.
All right.
So, because we always tell you something that we want you to say, and then we go back and check on the day that we have to select the winner, and it just baffles me when people don't go back and check. It baffles me. You enter and then you never check again. Yeah. So 24 hours, and then we have to move on to the next victim. I mean, the winner.
Okay. Yes. So 24 hours. In 24 hours, we do pick somebody else. Like we said 2 giveaways ago, we went through 4 people before someone finally answered within 24 hours. So yeah. Make sure you're checking. All right. So how you can enter on YouTube is you have to make sure you are subscribed to the MADCURLS channel and comment down below some song lyrics to a song that you like, some song lyrics, and just name the song and who sings it. So we thought that would be fun. We've been listening to music all day on Instagram. His name is D Nice, DJ Nice, and his Instagram is @DNice, and he is literally DJing Instagram Live for like 7 or 8 hours straight.
Try 9 or 10. It's like it has hit global proportions now. He started off with 200 people in the room, and now he picks a time and people just pile in the room. And I don't just mean like just normal people like Tay. You know, I mean, I'm talking about extraordinary people like myself. No, I'm talking about like you know, like stars, like people that are stars.
This is the only place you'll get to party with Michelle Obama or
just
Ellen celebrities, Ludacris.
Oh my God.
Like all these different celebrities are coming in the room to hear his music. His music is so good. It's really good. He's a good DJ. So yeah.
Instagram, you have to go and find
So him. Comment down below some song lyrics, as many song lyrics as you want, who sings it, and name a song. Because I might want to check it out.
Right?
All right. So how do you win on Instagram? You're going to see a post that looks like this. It's going to pop up on the screen. Make sure that you like the post. You are following MADCURLS and CURLSMITH on Instagram. And tag 2 friends in the comments. Don't be busted and tag Kim Kardashian or a whole bunch of busted people you know ain't going to be entering no giveaways. Like, you know, some real people who might be like, oh, I might want to enter this giveaway too. Don't be busted.
Right. Exactly.
This is U.S.A. only. And is that it?
I think that's it, because it's been very politely run. We haven't had anybody just kind of like just going off the deep end, just tagging, just keep going back and back. One of the questions that has been asked, that if you have a YouTube and an Instagram, can you enter in both? Yes. You know, you just have a double the chance of winning. But we opened it up to both platforms because some people only have YouTube and they don't have Instagram, or some people have Instagram and, well, of course they have YouTube because they know us.
Yeah.
So we just opened up to both platforms. But yes, you can enter twice if you have both platforms.
If you have both. All right. I think that is it.
That is it.
And thank you so much for watching this video, for entering our giveaways.
And stay safe.
Stay safe. Wash your hands.
Wash your hands. Stay safe. And keep your spirits up. And stay home.
Stay home.
So we can flatten the curve and we can all get out of this mess.
We can all get up out of this mess.
Yes.
All right. So we will see you guys in our next video.
Okay. All right.
Bye.